Today, I'm taking this season for the JEE exams. So, first let me clear this. So, this season is for people who are very new to JEE exams, like they are not they know nothing about the JEE exams, or people who are just following their societies to come to appear for the JEE exams. So, the people like they are in the 11th class, or where they are going to prepare for the exams. This is a for the people of that type only. Okay. So here it is written J exams and understanding patterns. So in this session, we are going to discuss anything and everything about J exams and their patterns and everything. Okay. So if you have any doubt, so please do comment in the comment section so that I can answer you the questions there. Okay. So let's move to the second page. So in the second page, I am going to some basic introduction for the JEE exam. So introduction to JEE. So the first point is the full form of JEE Joint Entrance Examination. Okay. So what is JEE Mains and JEE Advanced? So let me clear this. What is JEE Mains and JEE Advanced? Okay. So as people know, there are many engineering colleges available in our countries. Okay? Like private colleges, government colleges, state government colleges, central government colleges, etc. Okay. So this JEE exam occurs only for getting admission in NITs and IITs. Okay. So for after appearing for JEE Mains exams, and if you qualified for that, you will get admission in NITs. But for IITs, you have to qualify for JEE Advanced, and for qualification of JEE Advanced, you have to be in the top 10% of JEE Mains examination. And after the qualification for the JEE Mains examination, you will have to attend JEE Advanced, and again JEE Advanced you have to perform better, and then after qualification you will get admission in IITs. Okay. So this is the outline of the JEE Mains and Advanced exams, the overall outlines. Okay. So what is the importance of JEE for engineering aspirant in India? So as you know, there are many colleges in India, private colleges and government colleges, but the craze of IIT is on another level. Okay. So as an IIT, I'm telling you, the facility you get of the IIT is much better than any colleges in India, and it is up to the level of USA colleges or any other foreign colleges. Okay? So you will get much more clarity over here. You get much more facility in everything, not only academics. You will get everything better than anywhere in the country. Okay? So there is actually a lot more importance for JEE for engineering parents. Okay? So that is all about that. So let's move on to third page. So on the third page, I have written only about JNN. So it is basically the overview of JNN. So first point is what is the objective of JNN? So I have written here to screen candidates for JEE Advanced and also serve as a qualifying exam for the admission to NITs, triple ITs and other CFTs. So there are actually two function of JEE Mains. So first one is after appearing for JEE Mains, you have to be able to qualify for JEE Advanced. The first one is you will be able to qualify for JEE Advanced. So the point is that if you want to get admission in IIT, you first have to appear for JEE Advanced, and if we appear in JEE Advanced, you have to first qualify for JEE Mains. Okay, so the first point of the JEE Mains, or the first important part of the JEE Mains, if you want to appear for JEE Advanced, you have to qualify JEE Mains. Okay, the first point. The second point, if you're not able to qualify for JEE Advanced, although you will get admission to NITs, triple ITs, and other CFTs. So NIT is abbreviated as National Institute of Technologies. Okay, and triple IT is Indian Information Technologies. Okay, and CFT as a Central Funded Technical Institutes. Okay, so these are basically semi-private colleges, and the fee on the triple IT is very much and more much greater than NITs and IITs. So what is the eligibility? So the eligibility of JEE Advanced is open to students who appear, have completed or are paying their 12th standard are equivalent examination. Okay. So let me clear this. So if appearing for class 12 standard examination, that maybe it is CBSE or any state board, it doesn't matter. So if you are if you are student of class 12, you can appear. Okay, the first. The second, people who just completed the 12th standard or just finished their high school year just before the last year, then they can also appear for this examination. And the people who are completed their 12th high school back 2 years, they can also appear for the examination. So there are almost three chances you will get to appear for JEE. The first chance you will get when you are in class 12. And the second chance you will get after 1 year, and another chance, the third chance you will get after 2 years of class 12. Okay. So that is all about eligibility. And next one is exam frequency. So the JEE means typically conducted twice a year in January and April. That is not a fixed. It can change, vary. It doesn't matter. So basically, it happened twice a year. So I think for 2 years in the COVID period, they are happening for 4 times in a year. But that is for just COVID period. Now only 2 times they are happening in a year. Okay. So let's move to the fourth page. And the fourth page overview of JEE Advanced. So let's see what is the objective of JEE Advanced. So if you qualified for JEE Advanced, you will appear for JEE Advanced, and then if you will qualify for JEE Advanced, you will get to the admission to IITs. So IITs are the top institutes for engineering college as students in India. Okay, so that's why they focus on JEE Advanced much more than anything. Okay, so that's all about JEE Advanced. Now the eligibility is uh, that if you appear for JEE Mains and your rank is in between 1 to 2.5 lakh, if you are in the rank of 1 to 2.5 lakh, you are eligible for appearing for JEE Advanced. Okay? So that's all the eligibility of JEE Advanced, and all the eligibility of JEE Mains are applicable to JEE Advanced. Okay? That's all. Now, exam frequency. The JEE Advanced exam conducted only once in a year, and typically it is in June or July. It is after the exams of JEE Mains, because the qualification is done only through JEE Mains. Okay? So when the twice happening JEE Mains is done, then the JEE Advanced will appear. Now, what are the key points to remember? So that's the first point is JEE is not just an exam; it is a journey that requires dedication, consistent effort, and strategic preparation. So these are the things that you have to keep in the mind. That is dedication. You have to be very dedicated for 2 years, or maybe you cannot be able to qualify for 2 years. So you have to appear one more year again. Then you have to be dedicated for 3 years continuously. But there is no other option. And you have to make consistent effort on yourself and on everything. Like you have to do on classes. You have to solve many problems. You have to solve DBPs and any other blah 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 things. Okay? But these are all consistent effort you have to do for 2 years or 3 years. Okay, and the third point is strategic preparation. Like, see, there are almost 10 lakh people or more than 10 lakh people appearing for JEE and JEE Advanced exams. So if you want to be ahead of them, then you have to be very strategic about your preparation. Otherwise, you will lag behind the people and you will not be able to achieve what you want to. So third point is understanding the structure and pattern of JEE Mains and Advanced crucial for public exams. Now that is for sure. So see, I am planning to make some videos on the structure and pattern of JEE Mains and Advanced exam in deeply. Like what are the important topics, how many questions are coming in the latest 2 to 3 years, and everything. So let's see what are the response of yours in the comment section. Then I will make a video on that. The last point is starting early and staying motivated through the preparation period can significantly enhance your chances of success. Okay, so that is all about JEE Mains and JEE Advanced things. Okay? So thank you for watching and keep it up and do study. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Bye.